Laravel Livewire. Laravel Livewire. Laravel Livewire. It's Laravel Livewire. So this is a video about Laravel Livewire. You might have heard of it and you're now thinking about whether you should use it in your next project. I'm Sylvan and I happen to have built a couple projects with Laravel Livewire so far, and I run the biggest collection of Laravel Livewire projects out there called Wire in the Wild. And today I'm going to show you some of my favorite projects on it. So this is Find a PR for pull requests. This project is created by Ash Allen, a well-known creator and book author in the Laravel community. So on this site, you will find a lot of projects looking for new contributors, and maybe there's your first PR to an open source project in there. As you can see, currently there are 711 repositories, and it has 47 issues open that might be good first issues that you can work on. This next project is a bit of an odd one, but I found it quite interesting. So these are the corporate archives of a huge company called Georg Fischer, and the archive is built with Livewire. It's a full text search, and as you can see, it has a lot of items in the catalog, including the annual reports going back to 1896. If you're into photography, there's a very cool project called Lychee, like the fruit. I don't really know how to pronounce it properly in English, but it's an open source project that lets you create an amazing self-hosted photo management system. I find the landing page quite appealing, to be honest. Let's have a look at the demo. And cats, of course there will be cats, it's the internet. But let's jump into the galleries, tulips and cats. Let's see, as you can see, it's a pretty cool and fast project. If you're looking for your next vacation, and if you're into surfing, there's, for example, Totalsurfcamp, a beautiful site that lets you book your next surf adventure. So as you can see, surf camps, surf boat charters, surf resorts, different places to surf. Quite beautiful. Maybe you fancy a drink instead. There's this site called Make Me a Cocktail, which is a huge database of course, drinks and a lot of recipes. For example, I really like the Surprise Me feature that takes you to a random drink, shows you the recipe and ratings and what to put in it. And it has a huge selection of different types of drinks. And I was quite surprised to see all the types of different cocktails that they have. Marmalade cocktails, did you know that was a thing? I for sure didn't. I might be slightly biased, but let me show you a project by a bunch of friends of mine. This is a site that lets you find your perfect mobile phone subscription in Switzerland and compare them. And I think the site is quite appealing. If you follow the Laravel community, you might know that Taylor, the creator of Laravel, has a Lamborghini. So PHP now has Lambo money. But did you know that an even fancier car brand, Koenigsegg, they built their design studio website with Laravel Livewire? Sadly, I don't have a login because I cannot afford to buy one, but maybe Caleb should get one for his awesome contributions with Livewire and Alpine. So what have you built with Livewire? If you need inspiration, there's a ton of projects out there. Like, for example, from our favorite creators, Spotsy, they have a bunch of packages using Livewire. If you happen to build or know of a Livewire project, feel free to add it to the growing collection on Wire in the Wild. A bit of backstory, why did I build Wire in the Wild? Wire in the Wild came into existence after I had lunch with a former coworker, and he asked me whether Livewire was still a growing thing. So I decided to build Wire in the Wild to collect all the Livewire projects out there. Let me know your Livewire story in the comments below, and please like and subscribe for more videos like this. Bye!